Alright, let's talk about the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, because yeah, we finally got our first proper look at it. Big shout out to Evan Blast for the leak, because this one's kind of exciting. Right off the bat, the front is where you'll notice the biggest change. Samsung's made the notch smaller and more subtle. It still sits centered on the front, but now it cuts less into the screen and blends better with the design. The bezels are now even slimmer, which makes the screen feel more immersive, but in return it looks like Samsung's ditching the dual selfie cam setup. Probably just one front-facing camera this time, unless they're hiding some magic under the display or cramming in extra features into one sensor. Flip it over and the dual rear cameras look pretty much the same as before. Samsung hasn't really changed the layout from the Tab S10 Ultra. They're still aligned vertically with a clean, minimal design. The S Pen still snaps on the back, but the pill-shaped outline that used to mark its spot is now gone. Instead, it blends more seamlessly into the body. It's still rocking that matte aluminum finish, but the surface looks smoother and just a bit more refined overall. Honestly, it feels like Samsung's going for a sleeker, more premium feel without changing the core silhouette too much. Now let's talk specs. The display, massive. Expected to be 14.8 inches of AMOLED goodness and buttery 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, we're expecting MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 Plus. Yep, MediaTek, not Snapdragon this time. That's paired with 12 gigs of RAM and at least 256 gigs of storage, plus microSD expansion. Battery life, you're looking at a hefty 11200 to 11800 milliamp hour cell with 45 watt fast charging, so it should last a while, even with that slightly bigger display than last gen. And of course, it'll run Android 16 with One UI 8 out of the box, along with S Pen support and all the multitasking bells and whistles. You've also got Face Unlock and in-display fingerprint scanner, the usual sensor suite, but yeah, don't hold your breath for a headphone jack, that ship has long sailed. Right now, all signs point to a launch in September 2025, so it's not too far off. If you're holding out for Samsung's next big tablet, this might just be worth the wait. Let me know what you think. Are you into the notch, or is it a no-go? Drop your thoughts, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.